Hey guys, today we have a Mercedes-Benz C280 2006. We're gonna go ahead and replace the radiator tank coolant. Sometimes they just get a little old and either the little nose right here will get cracked and starts to seek out. Sometimes the sealant can just wear out from it getting hot, cold, and just starts to leak coolant. As you can tell, it's leaking. So we're gonna go ahead and just replace it. We have our tools right here. Should be pretty simple. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it and also keep the radiator fluid inside and just see if we can do it that way. Not sure, but we will soon find out. So yeah guys, first step would be to unscrew this, and it's a 10mm screw. So as you can tell, it's a 10. So you would just lock it on here and just twist it. It should be coming right off. So as you can tell, it came right off. Place that right there. So now that's unloose. Now next step would be to unscrew this, and all you would need is a round head screwdriver. Fits right there and come right off. By the way guys, this job will save you about $100, $110. I went to a mechanic and they told me to replace this $150. So I just went straight down to my nearest AutoZone. This cost 41 bucks for the 2006 C280 Mercedes-Benz. So yeah, 41 bucks, and I have that, and we're just gonna go ahead and do it ourselves, save 100 bucks. It's pretty good. Okay, so now since that is unhooked, as you can tell, just make sure you have something to keep it in place, because some will leak out, but not much. So yeah, so now since this is off, your next step is to unhook this. So it's pretty simple. You will just pull it up and pull out. So pull up, pull out, and it will come out quite simple. I could try it with one hand. I don't want to really mess it up, so I'm just going to use two hands, but it's pretty simple. All right, so now once this is unscrewed, you pop this off and you've taken this apart. Next thing is basically to pop it up, and all that's left is this. It should be just an easy pull up, so just tug at it. Be gentle, because it is something under here that's connected. So just be gentle, and there you go. Okay, now since that's popped off, it is able to move a little bit. Just be careful. You have some leakage that's coming out of here. So what I did, I grabbed a bowl, and I'm just going to transfer as much as I can from this area first. It will get lower, and then I will try my best to pour the rest out of the big tube. Now since everything is out, popped it all off. So what I came into a problem with was I wasn't able to transfer it from this area. What I had to do was get it lower from the small area. Once it was lower, I was able to tilt it. I was able to tilt the coolant, and I was able to unplug this area from this area. And I had a small cup, and I was able to place it right here. And once I unhook this area and this area, I had a little bit of coolant in here left, and it just spilled into the cup, and that was pretty much it. But now since everything is out the way, clean up whatever has leaked. Yeah, make sure it's looking clean. And the next step will be to place this back in here, hook everything back up, and once it's all finished, I will show you how it's done. But we want to go step by step. You want to make sure you hook this piece back up. Make sure you hook this piece back up, this bolts back in, and this clamp. So yeah, man, pretty much everything is pretty much 1, 2, 3, and it'd be back simple. So I'm back. I think it's finished, and you have that screw secured, this tube back in place and tight, this tube secure and tight, and your sensor that monitors the coolant level back in and secure. Now you use this and you transfer the radiator fluid back into the coolant tank, and you put the top back on, and that would be it. So you guys, this is how you replace the coolant tank for your Mercedes-Benz C280. Pretty sure it's the same for the C240, the C230, from years, I believe, 2001 to 2007. Maybe some things may be a little different, but all in all, this will be what you'll need, and it's pretty simple, guys. Save you 110 bucks. Thanks. See you soon.